So today at Campbell Street here.
Hameediyah.
Yes, we are checking Hameediyah out.
Yes.
Hey,
113 years.
113 years.
More than 15
More than
years.
that.
115 years.
115 years. This one is a very traditional and also packed with history.
Yes. Very okay.
Very okay.
I like the food.
Oh, have to check out. Oh, come on. Oh yes, check out the murtabak here. Oh, murtabak. Yes, so good. How to do it?
English. Because I'm with the chief and whole Steven Go.
Oh, lại đây rồi. Số ít xí nhà cô này sẽ bị số này. Đấy thì họ cũng học. Ở đây có này đó.
Quá đó.
Giờ đăng ký cái gì thôi lại hả? Boleh. Nasi putih. Makan di sini. Nasi biryani dia mau order. Saya mau order nasi putih. Saya mau nasi kandar. Itu betul cantik. Nasi kandar. Bagi
Lempseng ada.
Ada bagi ayam.
Ayam kampung bawang bos.
Oh, okey, sweet. Ini. Ini satu.
Roma try this turkey chicken.
Oh, yes sir. Oh, yes. Wow, check this out. Cantiknya.
Kampung bawang ini bos.
Oh, okay, yes sir. This one for me please. Dadah mi ada dadah. Dadah, okay, sweet. Bagi itu
Veggie bos.
veggie. Ya, itu mono bitter called the green color. Yes sir, that one.
Thank you sir.
And then also
Rendang.
beef rendang. I think one more veggie lah. Is this one.
Kulit chai bos. Kulit chai.
Yes, kolej chai, betul. Oh, then the one order there. Okay. No. Itu yes, betul. Dan itu sotong viral. Tapi ya, side bagi satu piring. Kita mau share ni. Yes sir. Sotong viral. Satu lah. Boleh. Oh, okay. Sweet ya.
This one very famous lah. Sotong
Alright. Yes.
Viral is fresh. Tengok harga sini bos.
Okay.
49 only.
Okay. Cantik lah.
Cantik macam bunga bos.
Oh, macam you cantik. Handsome.
49 uncle.
Yes sir. Macam sedap. Wah, juicy loh. Oh, cantik. Okay, very good.
Bos, viral. Sotong viral bos.
Cantik. Oh, cantik.
Putih satu.
Oh, yes.
Sotong goreng.
Okay. Sedap.
Lagi sotong telur, bagi sotong telur.
Makan telur. Saya bagi asing lah bos.
Okey,
2-3 orang makan bos.
Okey.
Ha?
Ya. Bagi satu orang.
Try satu lempseng satu bos.
Lagi tak bang. Berarti itu telur mati dua.
Ini lah sotong dua orang makan kat sini.
Wow.
Kamu tu beli?
Okay. Yeah, sambal yo. This one is the coconut sambal. Nice. Thank you.
Selamat makan.
So today we are at this Hameediyah here, and this is a very old and traditional, famous Nasi Kandar shop in Penang. So those that haven't come to Penang must try this shop of Nasi Kandar. So you check out my Nasi Kandar. What I'm having here is the chicken masak merah, ayam masak merah, which is the cooked in red sauce, and I'm having this lady's finger and also cabbage. So the cabbage is actually frying in turmeric.
Turmeric.
Yes. So
This is egg of squid.
yes. So this is egg squid. Hock Chai's favorite. This one.
Yes. Everything favorite.
Oh, good, huh? And then what do
This
you
is
have in here?
bitter gourd.
Oh, you have bitter gourd here.
And this is not Nasi Kandar. This is nasi biryani.
Oh, nasi biryani. Hey, no, I take a photo of this. Oh, yes, baby. That's good. Wait. So, in fact, I do realize that Nasi Kandar, they always love to put a lot of curry on top.
Oh.
And a variety of curry has been served us. And beside that, just now, as you can see, we additional top up with the coconut flavored sambal. So let's
Which is this
let's check out the flavor.
Right now.
Wow,
So rich.
rich and
And fragrant.
aroma, packed with this spices flavor. Wow.
You want to try some of my
Wow.
nasi biryani here? Clean mà.
Come on. Có lẩu riêng rồi.
Có là hả?
Có lẽ có lẩu riêng rồi. Yes. So they are having this reason why people is giving up.
Authentic recipes from
yes.
over 100 years ago.
Exactly. Wow, ngon rồi.
You want to try some?
Now try some of this
Nasi biryani.
Nasi biryani, In fact,
Unforgettable.
yes. Actually, they cook with a lot of flavoring. That's why it's nasi biryani. Very good. Wow, check this out. This is the Sotong Viral.
Thì hiệp được thơ xỉa.
Để thử xỉu.
Dạ chị đi lại.
Lại.
Cái này hủ lèn.
Hold on. This
Hold
one
tight.
is very nice. And I think what this is the red color one, the batter. Yes.
Nhật Bản đi better này. This is sim mà. So they can like không?
Yes. Long ra chọc nhé. So the batter from the sotong is added as well. So they actually deep fried again before serve. 방어. And on top of that, they
Wow, so long cannot eat.
Yeah. Wow. They meal for. On top of that, after they deep fry, they sprinkle with generous amount of cashew nut.
Oh, cashew nut.
Oh yes. Long nha nè. Ngon à. Chấm thăng à.
Hả?
Chấm thăng. Oh yes. Very nice. No wonder it's viral. Oh, so good. Mà con thì bác chị á. Chi bè khô dẻo.
Xí bè hô lèo.